death to websites. What's going on, guys? Listen, in this video, I'm going to show you the new way to get leads and sales in your business and using ClickFunnels, creating sales funnels. So I didn't mean to scare you, but let me introduce myself. My name is Kirshana Sykes, and I do want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, okay? So don't go away. Don't be scared. This channel is all about making money online. So every single video I come up with is about doing just that. So hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell notification button so you'll get all of my upcoming videos. Now, why did I say death to a website? We're going to talk about this here. I'm going to show you why I said death to the website right now. But be sure to stick around to the very end because I do have a huge bonus. That's if you want to learn how to get more leads and more sales the new way and not with a website. Okay, so I pulled up a random website here. This is a website about cameras. And the first thing that you see is a picture of a camera and it says to shop now. And then when you scroll down, it goes to different products. Now, this is one reason, and write this down. So take notes, write this down. Let me know in the comments if this stuff is making sense to you. The first thing that needs to occur when someone gets on your website, there should immediately be an opt-in or a capture page to capture their information, their email address. Why? Because obviously they're interested in what you have to sell because they're on your website. But you as a business owner, you want a way to build your email list and to contact that customer, build a relationship with that customer, and send that customer more offers, right? And this doesn't do that. So I could literally look around and then I can leave this website. The owner of this website has no clue who I am, doesn't know that I've been here unless there's a pixel, and there's no way to follow up with me. But when you have a capture page, you're capturing information, you're getting that email address, you can always follow up with that individual. You can find out what that individual wants. You can put your offers in front of that individual, but you cannot do that with a traditional website. So that's number one. Again, write that down in the comments. Write that down in your notes. Number two is, this is way too busy. Look at this, guys. When I'm looking at this, I have shop by department. I have all these different, options to look at. I have these different tabs. It's a lot here. I have so many different ways I can go here. It's absolutely nuts. Here's the thing. This is what I've learned in online marketing. Two things. Number one, when you don't give people direction, a way or systematic process to follow, then they may either do nothing or they are going to do their own thing, which could result in a zero sale for you. That doesn't work. So you have to provide direction. You have to lead people down a sales process. With sales funnels, you can do that. And I'm going to show you that here in just a moment. With this website, there is no process. I can do whatever it is I want. And again, like I said before, I can actually lead. Number two is when you give someone so many options, it could possibly create confusion. And when you create confusion, what do? You hightail yourself out of there. You don't do anything at all. Again, not what a business owner wants when they have potential customers coming to their website. So there has to be some structure. There has to be one option. Again, you leading people down the sales process so they can buy and then you can get a sale. So traditional websites, this is the reason, a couple of reasons why I'm telling you these are dead. This is why more people are moving to sales funnels because they have more control over the process and they can also build their email list, which is so important to do. So let's go ahead. Let's dive into sales funnels so I can show you the contrast between death to a website and the new way for you to get leads and sales in your business. And don't forget, I have a bonus that's coming up. So make sure you stick around, okay? So let's talk about the new way to get leads and sales in your business. And it's through sales funnels. And a lot of people, including myself, are ClickFunnel users. And what ClickFunnel does is it really enables people to grow their businesses through funnels. So brick and mortar businesses use sales funnels, real estate agents, insurance agents, online marketers, affiliate marketers, any type of business that you have, guys, you can use it on ClickFunnels. There's a lot of different things that you can actually do with ClickFunnels You can create the funnels if you have courses or trainings that you sell, or perhaps you're a teacher and you train people on certain things. What about recording those trainings, putting them on ClickFunnels, and selling the trainings online? Remember, everything is moving towards online through the internet. So you can make a lot of money by doing that, and then you can house all of your work on ClickFunnels. You can actually create a website on ClickFunnels. You can do different webinars. You can sell all of your products and your services on ClickFunnels. So that's why it's so attractive for business owners. And Russell Brunson's done an awesome job in really explaining the dynamic in sales funnels and how to really create them in a way that helps you to really maximize the amount of sales that you get. So let's talk a little bit more about a sales funnel. And this diagram here shows it perfectly. Remember, I spoke about on the first page of your website, there should be an opt-in page or a capture page, or in this case, a landing page, as you can see right here, where people enter in their email address. Guys, when they do that, you're instantly building your email list. And if you don't know this, I want you to write this down right now, because your money is in your list. Your email list is your most valuable asset. You always want to be building your email list. So this is the exact way for you to do that. Now, once people enter in their email address, then they can see your website or whatever it is you have to sell. And this is the sales page where you do that and you educate and build value. The next page is you want to collect the money, right? You see that. You can do this all with ClickFunnels. And then ClickFunnels also has this awesome thing called the one-click upsell. And have you guys ever been to the store where you buy one and you get two for free, or maybe you buy two and you get three for free? Well, that's kind of like a one-click upsell in ClickFunnels, where you can add another product for another price, and that's an upsell. Okay, so you can really maximize the money that you can make with this simple sales funnel. It's really a no-brainer. And then next, this page is really just delivering your product, whether it's a digital product or whether it's a membership area. But this is just like a general funnel and how it actually works. And again, we talked about it before, but what the sales funnel does is it guides your visitors step by step through the entire sales process, so they don't get confused, don't get lost, and most importantly, they don't leave. And then it also points your customers straight to one product or service they need most to help solve their problem. So like the website, the traditional website, you don't have all these different choices. Then they're confused on what they're going to buy, and then they may leave and then go to another website, and they never come back, right? That's the problem with traditional websites. But with this sales funnel, you can actually wipe that totally out, because even if someone doesn't purchase, which most likely they don't purchase on the first exposure, you have them on your email list, and that is a fail safe for you because you can always follow up with them as well. So that's what they're talking about here on this page here. So everything, guys, everything's really all in one with ClickFunnels. You have the drag and drop web page editor, where you literally can drag and drop, tweak certain things. You can easily and quickly build a sales funnel. I have a video in the suggested videos above that shows how quick it really is for you to create a sales funnel. But I want you to stick around because I have a bonus for you. You can also use their email AutoResponder if you want in ClickFunnels, so you can automatically email your list of people that you're building through the sales funnel as well. So this is a really great tool that all business owners need to have if you want to create more leads, more sales in your business. So what's cool about this is that it has a 14-day trial. And when you click on this, what you do first is you select a plan. Okay. And they have two plans. They have the $97 plan and they have the $297 plan. Now, I'm not going to go through everything that it states in these two packages that they have. What I would say, if you're just starting out, the $97 plan is is more than enough for you. If you're more serious, you're going to be doing webinars, you're going to be doing courses, things of that nature, then $297 is what you want. And with this $297 package, I do want to let you know that you get the backpack. It's the Edison suite, the Actionetics, which has the email functionality to it as well. And Russell has a lot of training that he does in this particular package with the $297 package. But for you guys, listen, make sure that you stick around because I'm going to give you a bonus when you sign up for ClickFunnels and you use my link that's going to be in the description below. All right, guys, so I am in my account and I'm going to go to funnels because I want to show you guys the different options that are available. I'm going to click on add new and we're going to create a funnel and I'm going to show you guys the different templates that are available. Gonna just name this test. And notice there's a watch explainer video. You saw that. And in any funnel, any type of funnel that you choose, because there are different funnels for different businesses, it's tailored for your business. So each different type of funnel has an explainer video to really show you how you can use that funnel. But guys, as you can see here, there's so many different templates and I want to show you. So this is an example of a funnel. How to generate 235,013 visitors a month without spending $1 on ads. Free bonus, the 24-step framework I use to teach marketing. Yes, I want you to teach me how to grow my business. You see how this website right here, okay, this website, when you click on this, someone enters in their email address and then they get the how-to. So that's how you build your list. But even take a look at this text and look at, we call it copy as well. Look at the words that are used. This is to really entice someone who's interested in doing this to click the next step, which is click the button below so that they can get this information. And this is just more of the funnel that you can actually use. So literally it's just a matter of you maybe switching out a picture, putting your picture here, maybe just changing this text around so whatever you're selling fits you. Here's what I'm going to do for you guys as a bonus. The link down below is how you're going to get your 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. When you use the link below, I am going to give you a shared funnel. I'm going to give you a funnel that is going to help you guys with affiliate marketing. So if you're in affiliate marketing, you have different offers to sell, then you want to use this funnel. You may want to attract people to your Facebook group and sell, a business opportunity or something of that nature. This is the funnel that you're going to use. So what you want to do is you want to go down to the link below, okay, and it's going to say ClickFunnels Affiliate Marketing Funnel. You want to click on that. It's going to prompt you to start your 14-day trial. And then as soon as you create your account, you're going to get the affiliate marketing funnel is going to be loaded into your back office. And then boom, you'll be able to start using that funnel as long as you have a ClickFunnels account. So you guys see why I said death to websites and why now it's really important for all business owners to get on board definitely and start building an email list, as well as using sales funnels to really get more sales in their business. Again, the link below, the affiliate marketing funnel, the shared funnel that I'm going to give you when you actually sign up for ClickFunnels using my link, that's going to be sent to you right away after you click your sales funnels account. And then I'm also going to add you to my Facebook group so that we can talk about everything sales funnels and really how to build your business online. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like the video, leave any comments below, share this out, and make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell notification button, and I'll see you on the next video.